Next alumni is Rotary Arish Rai. 22-23 he was PD director for Rotary Club of Saraswati College, and then in the next year in 23-24 he was the Digicom chair for Rotary Club of Saraswati College. Then he stepped into the district. In 24-25 he was joined graphic design director, and now in beyond next year, that is 25-26, he joined social media. Let's have Arish Rai.
Hello.
So Arish, my questions to you are, how did you end up joining Rotary? Was it accidental or intentional?
So what happened was, I was in college and I was looking for something sporty. I'm an athletic person. Now it's not very good like that, but earlier I was an athletic person, and I was looking for a club which had sports and many fun activities around games and activities. So then there was a board of Saraswati College near the elevator, and then I saw there are many sports, football, cricket. I was like, this club looks a little interesting, little active, and then I should join. And then one day Priyaling came in our group, which was a beauty form. And I was like, let's take this, and it was accidental, and I guess the best accident of my life. So yeah, college has taught me a lot of things. I was shy, I was just PES, but after Rotary, after the moment I have evolved. First, अगर पहले मुझे आप मिलते तो मैं कैमरा में इतना बोलता नहीं होता, but अभी you can see me communicating to it. So yeah, a lot of things. The best accident of my life.
Now the next question would be, what skills did you learn that you still use every day?
Nice. So the skills which I learned, first was the communication and how we outgrow our comfort zone. I was very comfortable अपने इसमें रहता था मैं जब out of then मिल के output के moment में comfort zone में तो वो communication एक skill बढ़ा है, and the very important skill which I have learned in Rotary was graphic designing. I have Canva सीखा मैंने Digicom year में, which was 23-24, and उस टाइम जब मैं Digicom से बन रहा था आदिल लोग आयुष से Digicom से बन रहा, and I was like, आदिल I love that decision, but मुझे डिजाइन नहीं आता है, कैसे करेंगे? आयुष सीख जाएगा तो मुझे भी कॉन्फिडेंस देता खुद पे, but then I gave it to my aid and Canva सीख गया पूरा Digicom year में वो Canva सीखा, जितना डिजाइनिंग आता है सीखेगा, and now मैं एक डिजाइन जॉब कर रहा हूँ which includes Canva, Photoshop and Premiere Pro. So yes, so designing a creative person ये मेरे अच्छे से है, and which I am currently using right now. So yes.
Great skills to learn. So the next question would be, how did it help you become a better person, like problem solver, communicator?
Okay. So what it did help me, it did help me in this. So earlier मेरा mindset ऐसा था कि यार जो भी हो रहा है काम में मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा, मुझे फंस जा रहा है प्रेशर से, बट मैं टीम्स को संभाला हूँ, लोगों को मिला हूँ, लोग टीम्स में रहा हूँ लोगों के साथ, फिर रोटरी में इतना पता चले कि बात करना है तब जाके उनसे सॉल्व होता है. सो यस, रोटरी में रहते लोगों से बात करते करते कुछ इश्यूज हुए थे कि जब मुझे आगे जाके बोलना पड़ता कि मेरा ये प्रॉब्लम था, एंड मुझे आके उनको ये प्रॉब्लम है, तब जाके मुझे समझा कि अरे बात करके हम इशू सॉल्व होते हैं. जो हम माइंडसेट रखते हैं कि नहीं वो ऐसी सोचता है वो बदलता है, तो वो एक कम्युनिकेशन सिखाते अच्छा करता है.
So the next question would be, what advice would you give to someone just joining Rotary?
The advice I would give to the advice I would give is कि यार Rotary को फर्स्ट ईयर Rotary का मेक श्योर यू एक्सप्लोर आउट ऑफ Rotary. इतने सारे इवेंट्स होते हैं Rotary में, तुम्हारे कोर टीम मेंबर्स अपना बेस्ट देते हैं इवेंट्स करने में. डिस्ट्रिक्ट में बहुत सारे इवेंट्स होते हैं, एक्सप्लोर होता है, रेड होता है, राइज होता है. अगर आप एक ड्रामा आर्ट वर्क करना पसंद है तो आपके रेड है, अगर स्पोर्टी पर्सन हो और स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन है तो आपके राइज है. तो आपको एक ऐसे पर्सन हो जिसको एक्सप्लोर करना पसंद है, बहुत जगह तो एक्सप्लोर एक इवेंट है जहाँ पे सब आते हैं अलग अलग में बहुत कुछ होता है ऑफर करने का आपको. तो माई एडवाइस होती है बस जो भी इवेंट्स होता है जो भी है बस एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट करो इवेंट्स में. आपको फर्स्टली क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा, समझ नहीं आएगा कि चल क्या रहा है, बट धीरे धीरे बाय द टाइम यू विल गो इनटू इट, एंड आप ऐसा भी हो जाओगे उस चीज़ में कि कुछ लगेगा कि मैं क्यों यहाँ से जाए. सो क्वेश्चन नहीं होगा. तो दैट इज एडवाइस फर्स्ट ईयर है तो बस एंजॉय करो, जितना एक्टिविटी करो एंड यू विल एंजॉय इट। है रोटेक्ट।
Hello everyone, we have our alumni Rotractor Gaurav Bhuimbar. So firstly he was the sports director in our club, then he was the secretary of our club. So let us welcome Rotractor Gaurav Bhuimbar.
Hello.
Let's start with the interview. Okay, so how did you end up joining the Rotract? Like it was accidental or intentional?
It was kind of accidental and intentional both. So when I joined my college, the only thing I wanted to explore out was the sports happening over in our college. So the TRS chair at that time, Rotractor Som Bajarkar, he approached me that there is a designation in the club named sports director where you organize sports events. So I have always been a part of sports in the playing side. So I just wanted to see the organizing side of sports. So just to see the organizing side of sports, I joined Rotract and then started my journey from sports director to the club secretary.
Next question. What skills did you learn in Rotract that will stay with you and you will use it again?
Not just about me, but I guess every Rotractor which is into the movement, some of the skills that you learn into Rotract, specifically about event management and time management, those skills are useful to you in any stage of your life, whether you are in corporate or you are in business. Managing your time properly, is the most efficient way to success. So the first thing I learned when I joined Rotract was time management, cause at the time of my sports director journey, I was handling an internship, the sports director role, and a role in another committee as the core team member. So at that time I learned time management, which is still useful to me today.
Okay, and the last question for the day is how did Rotract push you out of your comfort zone?
As I told right now, time management is an important aspect of everyone's life. So at first when I joined Rotract, I was pretty much of a lazy person, and you can say I used to procrastinate things. So in my secretarial year, I was the club secretary. Also the placements are going on, we had our exams, and additionally I was also the contingent leader for the zone. So at that time managing time was a pretty hard task, cause I need to allocate each and every second of my time to activities as per the priority. So at that time it pretty much pushed me out of my comfort zone that I had, that I used to give some time, I used to have rest, then I used to start another thing. So at that time with lack of rest and the continuous effort that anyone needs to put into some work, Rotract pushed me out of my comfort zone and forced me to do that.
Okay, so we had an amazing interview. Thank you, Rotractor Gaurav.
I'm one of our alumni from the club. He is Hardik Dadas. So he started his journey from the year 22-23 as a general body member. The next year he was club service director for the year 23-24, and for the following year he was our TRS chair for the year 24-25. So let's welcome him.
Hi guys.
Chalo, so let's start with his interview. So first question, how did you end up joining Rotract? Accidental or intentional?
आई एंडेड जॉइनिंग रोट्रैक इंटेंशनली, क्योंकि जब मैं सेकेंड ईयर में आया था कॉलेज में, तो मुझे ऐसा था कि मुझे कोई तो एक कमेटी ज्वाइन करनी थी. तो मैंने कॉलेज में देखा कि बहुत सारी कमेटीज़ थी, लेकिन जो बाकी की कमेटीज़ थे वो डिपार्टमेंट वाइज थी, और रोट्रैक ऐसा था जो कॉलेज में भी और कॉलेज के बाहर भी प्रोजेक्ट्स करता था. तो जितना मुझे रोट्रैक से एक्सपोजर मिल सकता था उतना बाकी कमेटीज से नहीं मिल सकता था, इसलिए मैंने रोट्रैक से ज्वाइन किया.
Okay, so next question, who was your favorite person or mentor in your Rotract journey?
My favorite person and mentor in Rotrack is Rotractor आदिल शेख. जब मैं क्लब से डायरेक्टर था थर्ड ईयर में, तो आदिल मेरा प्रेसिडेंट था. तो मैंने देखा है कि आदिल ने कैसे अपनी लीडरशिप संभाली है. उसने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया है रोट्रैक के बारे में. जब भी मुझे कोई नीड रहती थी तो आदिल ने मुझे हेल्प की है. उसने मुझे हमेशा पुश किया है आगे बढ़ने के लिए. तो जो भी आज मैं रोट्रैक में जानता हूँ वो सब आदिल की वजह से.
Okay, so last question, what advice would you give to someone just joining Rotract?
मैं बस ये एडवाइस देना चाहता हूँ कि ज़्यादा सोचो मत, बस ज्वाइन कर लो. कि रोट्रैक में ज्वाइन करने के लिए फ़ायदे तोटे के बारे में मत सोचो, क्योंकि रोट्रैक से फ़ायदा ही फ़ायदा है. तो आई जस्ट एडवाइस कि ज्वाइन कर लो बस.
So join Rotract guys. Thank you.
वेलकम.